Hello everyone, I'm Chris Erkley and welcome to your Tuesday edition of the PE Crime Blotter. We're talking about Selvin Chajon Rodriguez. He was in a Riverside courtroom on Tuesday morning, pleaded not guilty to the fatal stabbing of his ex-girlfriend and their 2 children. I'm joined now by Press Enterprise's John Asbury. John, you were in the courtroom this morning.
Right, and this is a hearing we've been waiting about for over a month. This stabbing occurred on August 30th, where police have said that Rodriguez went in and stabbed his ex-girlfriend and their 2 young children after making repeated threats and after the mother rejected his marriage proposal. Now, following the stabbing, he ran from police and was spotted near the Highway 91 in bloody clothing, carrying a knife, and was shot by Corona police, and he's been hospitalized ever since.
Now, he could be seen in a wheelchair this morning in the courtroom. What is the latest on his status?
They haven't gone into detail regarding his injuries, but he was in a wheelchair and had a brace on his chest and over his neck, so I'm not sure if there's any paralysis or any spinal injury, but obviously this was an injury that caused his court appearance to be delayed well over a dozen times, and but he's been able to survive, and now at some point he'll proceed to trial.
Yeah, now with things in the not guilty plea, when can we expect a trial to begin?
This case, it's going to come down to the death penalty. If prosecutors choose to pursue it, that usually tacks on at least a year, if not 2 years, before you actually go to trial, because there is a limited number of death penalty to attorneys, as well as the evidence and investigations that go in place.
All right, John, thanks for joining us. That does it for our Tuesday edition of the PE Crime Blotter. Be sure to stay tuned right here on PE.com for the latest on this story.